Then you will have U12 plus, okay, I put top, left, center, right, bottom in that sequence. So U12 plus 0.6065 minus 4U1 1. Okay, put the same notation in Microsoft Excel, okay, because lazy to put out the comma. So plus 1.6487 plus 1.6487, okay, equal to 0.5 squared. Okay, when you target U11, x is 0.5, okay, y is 0.5. So you have a 0.5 squared, 0.5 squared. Because h squared is 0.5 squared x. Okay, the equation is actually you have right hand side is x squared, y squared. X is 0.5, y is 0.5. Okay, and then you may simplify it. So you have U12 minus 4U11. Only 2. Then you collect. Yeah. Okay, the constant value collect to right hand side. So you have what? 0.5 squared times 0.5 squared times 0.5 squared, and then minus, okay, here all these three value bring to right side become minus 0.6065, okay, minus 1.6487, okay, same value, so it times 2. So you get negative 3.8727. You get negative 3.8727. This is the first equation. Okay, and then later on you move the molecule one, okay, row up, because you want to, okay, solve U12, okay, center will be U12. Okay, so now to this one, no more, no more, no more. So okay, second equation target the center at U12, so this will be left, this will be your right, this is the top. Okay, again, so you have U13, left is plus 0.3679, center is minus 4, U12, right is 1, bottom is U11, equal to h squared is 0.5 squared. Okay, because we are within the same column, so x same, x is 0.5, so multiply 0.5 squared. Okay, y, okay, U12, okay, y is 1, so it's 1 squared. Okay, simplify it, you have U13 minus 4 U12 plus U11 equal to, okay, now you have 0.5 squared. Okay, I think just now whether I key in wrongly. Okay, just now I think okay, just now, okay, coefficient is wrong. I didn't power 2. Yeah, 0.5 squared, 0.5 squared, 0.5 squared. Okay, minus 0.65 minus 1.6487 times 2. Okay, is, okay, the first case, right hand side coefficient negative 3.8883. Just now got color mistake. 3.8883. Okay, 3.8883. Okay, the second one is 0.5 squared times 0.5 squared. Okay, y is 1. So I add it here. Y is 1. So 1 squared. Okay, minus, okay, this one, bring this value here. So total is minus 1.3679. Okay, minus 1.3679. So negative 1.3054. Okay, this is the second equation. Okay, third time, move this molecule up one more row where the center will be at U13. So this one no more field. This one no more, no more. So this bottom, this center, this will be left. Okay, this is the right, this is the top. Okay, so the third time, top is 0.2231, left also 0.2231, center is minus 4U13, right is 0.6065, okay, bottom is plus U12 equal to h squared is 0.5 squared. Okay, when at U13, x is still 0.5, so 0.5 squared. When the same column, x is same. Okay, now y move to 2. So 2 squared. Okay, this is 0.5 squared, 2 squared. Okay, simplify it. You have minus 4 U13 plus U12. Okay, equal. Okay, the constant value bring to right hand side will become minus. Okay, so now we have 0.5 squared, 0.5 squared time. Okay, y now is oh, I think just now got some 0.5 1. Okay, sorry, y, this y is 1.5. Cause here, okay, first time we target center U11, y is 0.5. Second round target at center is U12, y is 1. Here third time we target at okay, U13, y is 1.5. This is wrong. Because here 0.5, 1, 1.5. Y is 1.5. Okay, where's the calculator? Where's the calculator? Okay. Okay, so now we have the 0.5 squared times 0.5 squared times 1.5 squared, okay, minus 0.2231 times 2, because times 2 here, so minus 0.6065. So you get negative 0.9121. Okay, negative 0.9121. Okay, this is the third equation. So you can see if you perform annually, your time consuming to form a linear system, simplify, okay, and then you put it to the matrix form so that you easy, okay, can key into your scientific calculator. So you're solving actually U, I put it this way. Close here. Okay, we are key in. We are solving U11. Okay, column I label here. This is U11, U12, U13. Okay, the column K label to guide you to key in the equation. Okay, U11, U12, U13. Okay. Okay, this is a vector B. Okay, so this is a coefficient for your matrix A. Okay, so the first equation, the coefficient is negative 3.8883. The second one, okay, negative 1.3054. The last one is negative 0.9121. Okay, and then first equation you have start from U11 is negative 4, U12 is 1. Okay, so U13 will be 0. Okay, and then second equation, okay, U1, okay, U11 1, U12 negative 4, U13 1. Okay, the last equation U13 negative 4, U12 is 1. Okay, this one 0. Okay, you can either using your scientific calculator. Okay, or here I can use scenario key in Excel. I can solve it using the inverse matrix method. MMULT, matrix multiplication. So M inverse of your matrix A, okay, multiply, okay, MMULT is matrix multiplication with the A inverse with vector B. And then Control Shift Enter. Okay, so you see our solution is this one. U11 1.151, second one 0.71. Okay, this is finite. This is because this one not round. Okay, if you want to round, then we delete. Okay, we delete everything. Okay, MMULT, MINVERSE, M inverse. Okay, mean we take the A inverse. Okay, multiply with vector B. Okay, I round it to 4. Then Control Shift Enter. Okay, one value because I didn't select 3 cell. Okay, so I select 3 cell. Control. Okay, I paste back the formula just now. Then Control Shift Enter. So now you get 1.151, 0.7159, 0.407. Okay, or you can use your scientific calculator. Equation modes, 3 simultaneous equation. So you have a negative 4, 1, 0, negative 3.8883, and then they key in wrongly. Negative 4, and then 1, 0, negative 3.8883. Second equation 1, negative 4, 1, negative 1.3054. Okay, the third one 0, 1, negative 4, and then negative 0.9121. Okay, check. 8883. Negative 3.8883. Okay, first column negative 4, 1, 0, second column 1, negative 4, 1, third column 0, 1, negative 4. Okay, vector B negative 3.8883, and then negative 1.3054, negative 0.9121. So correct, press equal. So you get here U11, which is tally with X, is 1.1510. Okay, Y is 0.7159. Okay, and Z is 0.4070. So okay, so if you have laptop, I would suggest you use the Microsoft Excel directly using your key in the formula based on here. Mean you can key in either the formula at U13 or U11. If U11 later on, you copy up the formula. Okay, using this technique, mean if you key in at U13, so it's equal to the top bracket top cell plus left cell plus right cell plus bottom cell minus the h squared time the function in here is x squared y squared. And then you have to look at when you key in the U13, x is 0.5, y is 1.5. And then for x, you have to fix row, mean put dollar in front of the row label. Y, you have to fix column. So there's a dollar in front of the column label. If not, in this case, because in this case, if the Y you not fix column, it won't affect the result because you not copied it to the next column because your solution is one column only, so it won't affect. But X, if you copy it down, you don't fix row, it will affect. X will run down. In this case, if your Y you didn't fix, no problem because you have only one column. You not copied, like just now, you copied, you have two columns. When you copy the next column, the Y column will be run. Here, not effect because Y, you have only one column, you not copied the next column, so Y if you don't fix column, won't affect. But don't to be not confused, use you it's better for the Poisson equation, you just put it standardized. The Y you have to fix here, Y fixed column, and then X fixed row. Okay, so do you have any questions? We are seen two example and one exercise using the shortcut technique and the manual solution by forming the linear system. And we solve it also using two ways. The linear system either using the inverse metric method in your Microsoft Excel or using your scientific calculator.